room. Watching comedy at home, it's not like this. But I rented this movie. It was a comedy. It was called The Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Y'all seen it? Wasn't that funny? And I don't think they realized they had a comedy in their hands, but until they realized, well, maybe you're with me on this. I thought it was funny because, personally, I had tried to start a chainsaw. And I've never started on the first pull. Takes me 12 times just to warm the rope up. You know? That movie would have been more realistic. This would have been a scene from the real Texas Chainsaw Massacre. Leatherface is in the woods. He's waiting. Here comes this. He's waiting for the ambush. He jumps in. Aha! Because you know the male victim would have gotten just a little bit of impatient and gone, well, you got the choke on there, pal? Is there any gas in the tank? Maybe there's spark plugs, folks. I don't know what to do. Can I try?
Not very. See, that's why I created the movie. Gonna start it. Calling this movie The Texas Weed Eater Massacre. Follow me on this. You're in an apartment complex. Couple's walking around the corner. The maintenance man jumps out. My favorite, scariest movie of all times, ladies and gentlemen. I like it. I think it's the best movie ever made. My opinion, you may have your own, but I love the movie Jaws. Oh, you know why? Sharks are real. When I saw that movie, to me, sharks were in the bathtub. They were everywhere. Some people say aliens was scary. Yeah, aliens was scary, but can't tell you, every time I'm in space, I'm afraid something's going to come out and suck my face off. Sharks scared me. How many of you remember seeing Jaws the first time in the theater? Remember? How many of you sat on your feet? Because you were afraid a shark would swarm up the channel. It's the best time to scare the woman in front of you, do. Oh, gotcha! It's a shark on my shoulder. Jaws. I was afraid of sharks until I heard this on television during Shark Week. Discovered. This guy says you have a better chance of getting killed by a pig than you do a shark. I'm thinking, yeah, here in Dallas. I read this one story of this guy out in West Texas got killed by a 185-pound wild boar, chased him down and killed him. Ooh. That's why I'm going to write the movie called Jaws. Can't you imagine that movie trailer? Just when you thought it was safe to go back to the farm. Coming soon to a big pen near you.